Good morning, middle school flyers. It is Monday, May 11th, 2020. There are no birthdays for today, but everybody should have received the most recent board update this past Friday. In that update, along with the normal grade information and specific dates that are important for events coming up, was the link to the fall sports sign up. So all you middle school students that are interested in playing a fall sport, make sure you look for that link and instructions on how to sign up. Moving on to shout outs. Our first one is going to test my Spanish accent just a little bit. Senora DeRushy wants to shout muchas gracias to Senora Helmer and all the students who contributed to the amazing teacher appreciation video. Thank you all so very much for this special surprise. It was much appreciated. Miss Dodds would like to give a shout out to Caden LaRue for keeping her on her toes with his witty comments on his assignments. Nice job, Caden. And Miss Paler would like to give a shout out to all the 6th graders who completed their Connect 5 boards. Your pictures and videos were fantastic. Look forward to the special surprise treat from your homeroom teachers later this week. Nice job to all our shout out recipients. Today in history, on this date in 1820, it was the launch of the HMS Beagle. Now that is the ship that would later be used by a young Charles Darwin on his famous scientific voyage. Also on this date in 1989, Kenya announced a worldwide ban on ivory to preserve its elephant herds. Fun fact of the day, the Eiffel Tower is shorter in winter months than in summer. The Eiffel Tower is shorter in winter than in summer. How in the world is that possible? Well, the Eiffel Tower is made of iron, which expands in heat and contracts in the cold. So when it's really hot out, the Eiffel Tower can change as much as 6 inches in height. Pretty interesting. Well, I know this is supposed to be a lighthearted morning update, but I do have to ask if you heard about the kidnapping at our local middle school. Yeah, you probably haven't heard it because he's still sleeping. Get it? Kidnapping, kid-napping. My side's killing me. Oh, man. On to the trivia question. Friday's question was, who is Tony Stark's executive assistant and his love interest in the movie Iron Man? Well, that is none other than Pepper Potts. Congratulations to Alex Silver, who's becoming our trivia guru for the correct response. This week's theme, again, thank you to Mr. Rish for coming up with our trivia segment, is famous kernels. So all week, this will be famous kernels. Today's clue. Harlan is the face of a fast food franchise. He was born in the neighboring state of Indiana. Harlan is the face of a fast food franchise. He was born in the neighboring state of Indiana. So that's it for today. Until tomorrow, have a great day, and hopefully today is a kickoff to another great week, Flyers.